Nah. Oh crap. Yeah.
And it smelled just like one too. No.
It's probably a little hot still.
Yeah, I'd say. Come on.
Touch it. Kind of melted through the aluminum too.